How many times we as parents, as a partner, as a spouse, as a friend, as a colleague, see our loved ones going through such a struggle or a difficult time, and the very first thing that we want to do is advise them, because maybe we already went through the same path. But not everything that we know is appropriate to share, because we don't know if the other person is ready to listen and understand. So many times, the only thing we can do is just sit with them, let them know that we are there, that they are not alone, that we understand them, we love them, and that we are praying for them. And when the time comes, maybe, and only maybe, we can share some of the knowledge we have. Just a little bit, maybe. It is hard because we don't want to see our loved ones suffering. But many times, even ourselves, we had to walk our own journey and fail to learn the lesson. So I will leave you with this quote that explains in a better way what I'm trying to share. I hope you are doing well, that you are happy, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye. Da 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 da. How vast is the number of realities which no expression can adequately describe, whose meaning can never be revealed, and to which not even the remotest allusion can be made. How manifold are the truths that must remain unspoken until the appointed time has come. Thus, it has been said, not everything a man knows can be expressed, nor can everything he can express be considered opportune, nor can every expedient expression be considered adequate to the capacity of those who hear it. Baha'u'llah.